I've just got the first fish on the red and silver plug from Strike Pro. I just cast over there and I was reeling it back and he came and hit it. It's a beautiful little fish. I'm just going to get down and unhook him. First fish of the day. It's good to see the water's clear enough for them to hit the lure. I've had 2 mistakes before so far today. It's good to be hooked up. Bite isn't very hard at the moment, but there are a few fish around. Gotta be careful with these plugs and their multiple hooks. Oh, off he goes. Beautiful little brownie. Try and get another one. Oh, trout, there, came out, little brownie. I'll have another go. He just went back in there. Nice little brown trout. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a big fish, holy crap. Holy crap, that's a big brownie. He came right, he actually ate the lure, he engulfed it. And then I didn't set the hook because I thought it was little. Is he still there? Oh, there's a little fish after it. He's gone. Man, that was like a 40cm brown. Right guys, I'm at the weir and I've just had a few casts with my plug and I was just casting it into that little side riffle there and 3 fish came out. One was a small brown trout, one was a small rainbow trout, and the other was a nice sized 40cm brown trout. The 40cm brown trout came out right to nearly to my feet, grabbed hold of the lure, and then spat it back out again. Because the lure's hooks were quite blunt, I couldn't hook him. So I've gone to a more realistic lure, this little black and green soft plastic with a Lumo head to attract the fish's attention. And it's got a nice sharp hook, luckily. So if that fish comes back out, he's gonna get hooked for sure if he grabs onto it. So yep, got him. Got the big brownie. I got him. Beautiful. So I told you how it was gonna work and it happened exactly that way. So that, I love it when a plan comes together like that. It's beautiful. It's a good fish. Biggest fish of the day. It's a beautiful fish. Beautiful brown trout. It's nice and it's beautiful colours, but it's quite skinny, but still. Beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful. Awesome. He's been scarred on the back, something's grabbed hold of his back when he was little and he's got these nice scars there. It's pretty cool. Right, I'll get that out. Right in the corner of his mouth too. Good hookup. He's about 40cm as I thought when he came out before. Very skinny, but he's a beautiful fish. The lure that he was caught on is just this beautiful, real natural looking little soft plastic here. Beautiful fish. Oh, man, that was exciting. Oh, it's a beast, man, it's a beast. It's an absolute beast of a fish. Oh, he's going around the rocks and things. I gotta keep him out. It's a beast. He's fighting really hard. Man, this is a big fish. Here he is. Look at the size of him. He's a beast. Epic size fish. Oh, he's fighting like a demon. Oh, that was awesome. And that's that little soft plastic that I just made this morning myself. Awesome fish. He's not like 10 pound, but he's awesome for this river. This is like a trophy for this river, the size of this fish. Good fish. Awesome brownie. Oh, he absolutely smashed the lure too, man. Oh, I got him. Okay, I'll take him over the side, over to this little pool over here. What a beast. How's that, eh? Came in. This is the fish I hooked yesterday. I actually hooked this fish and it jumped out of the water a few times. And then he threw the lure yesterday. And today he hit the lure about five times before he actually smashed it properly. Awesome. Some kids in the water over there, coming over for a look. I'll keep this guy in the water, set the camera up. I want to show you my lure that I tied this morning. I made it. That beautiful little soft plastic there in the side of his mouth. Awesome. Look at this. Got it. This fish is 3 pounds. 3 pounds of brown trout. Beautiful wild brown trout. Really glad I came to fish this part of the river first. That is a trophy for this part of the river, make no mistake. So I've just hooked this this beautiful little brown trout on the white and red plug from Strike Pro, and I'll just show you guys. I had to clamber through all these blackberries to get here because I hooked him up on top of that bank and I couldn't get down to a spot where I could release him. There we go. Out comes the lure. Alright. Let's have a look at this guy. There he is. Beautiful brown trout. Nice red spots on him. Okay, I'll just get him back, eh?